Hola everybody, today I want to present you a new house listed in Jaibalito, Lake Atitlan, so follow me. Just for the one who don't know me, I'm Armand Boissy, your real estate agent in Lake Atitlan, Guatemala. So please subscribe to the channel, check out my website, like it, share it, and put a comment if you have. This property is located 80 meters from the pier, or main pier of Jaibalito, and this is the side of the entrance, because you can enter and walk around the property, but also you have a big covered porch which is straight on the street. It's like 20 meters on the street, so it's a great location and space for eventually a restaurant or cafe if you would like, so you could open the windows and have a direct access from the street. So it's a very ample and spacious. Then from the terrace you can enter directly into the house. So you have the middle body space of the house, which is the dining and the living room with a double height ceiling, very luminous, very spacious. So on the left you have the kitchen with a window toward the back of the property as well, a very well planted backyard. In the middle between the kitchen and the bedroom, the master bedroom, you have a big bathroom with a tub, and the bedroom, master bedroom with closet, as well with windows and a fireplace. On the other side of the space of the living room, you have two bedrooms. I just wanted to share with you some Instagram account on Guatemala and its beauties. So check them out, subscribe so you can get to know a little bit the country, preparing your coming. So go to Instagram, look in the search space, put Guatemala and Lake Atitlan or Antigua, and this way you can subscribe to the channel you think of interest. Now back to the house. This is a very nice vitrol above the bathroom, the master bathroom, Casa de Nadre. There is a bathroom shared for the two other bedrooms on the other side of the house. So we have two big bedrooms with a double sliding door toward the garden, the small garden. One of the bedrooms a very nice view toward the back terrace. That's a view of the corner of the property, so you have like 3 meters from the fence, and then you have a big terrace again in the back as well, where you can sit, hang out, and enjoy the tumbergia, which is crawling from the roof. The property is 345 square meters, so it could be a place to live and sub-rent 2 bedrooms or make a little business like a cafe or restaurant. Remember to click on the channel, click on the bell to be updated on the last videos, share it with people who might be interested, and comment also as well. Thank you very much.